Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about the combinations that we have in set data type. Combinations with other data types that we have in set data types. Previous episode, we have discussed the three cases, that is set in set, list in set, and tuple in set, right? In today's episode, we are going to discuss case 4, that is set in list, in the sense a set inside list. So let's see, it is possible to define one set in another list because lists are mutable and allows us to locate set objects by using indices. In the sense, inner is a set, outer is a list. So outer list will provide the indices in order to access or update inner set. So this case 4 is going to be possible. Let's see. Now I'm opening Python command prompt. See here. This is my LST object. In this, these are the outer list elements. That in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 45, 6, 7. These are the outer list elements. This is one inner set and this is another inner set. So in order to retrieve which values comes under which type, I'm going to use a simple for loop. See here. For value in LST, I want to print like this. See here, value, comma, type of value I want to see. What is the type of that value? See here, type of val, comma, and type of, I want to see LST. So list maintain insertion order, in the sense whatever the way we have declared, the same way the elements is going to be displayed. See here, the same way, right? So it maintains insertion order. So one is an element that comes under int class. This element is present in class list. So like that, if we come here, this element comes under class set and this element is present inside class list. So here also same, this element comes under class set. This element is present inside class list, right? See here, set in list, right? We can access the list elements by using indices, right? If I try to execute this line, LST of 0, see here 1 has been retrieved. Why? In the sense, 0th index, there is a value called 1, right? So if I try to do like this, 4, then the inner set is going to be displayed. Set does not maintain any type of insertion order, right? So that is the reason it is not showing whatever the data we have entered like that. And it also removing the duplicate value. See here, I have declared it 22 times here. So here one time only the 20 has been retrieved. So like this we can retrieve our inner set elements. So here 5 I will do. So this is another inner set, right? So we can retrieve this and we can add an element to this also. See here, LST of 4 dot add of. I'm going to add 78 value to this fourth index set. So let's try to access LSTC here. So I added 78, right? So 78 has been added into this inner set, right? So I want to remove that 78. So same thing, I want to remove, in a sense, remove off. So see here, now I'm going to access LST. See, there is no 78 right here. So we can pop the arbitrary elements in our inner set. See here, 40 has been deleted and retrieved. Now I'm accessing LST. LST, there is no 40, right? Like this, we can apply all 17 predefined functions on these inner sets. We can remove the total set, entire set also. See here, LST dot remove of, if I use this total set here, in the sense like this, see here, if I do like this, then total entire set is going to be removed. See here, now I'm trying to access LST. So there is no set called 10, 20, 30. See here, directly we have this big set. We can remove the list elements also. See here, LST dot remove of, I want to remove the element called 7. See here, now I'm trying to access LST. See, 7 has been removed, right? So like this, we can apply the list predefined functions in list elements, the set predefined functions in set elements. And we can also delete the entire LST also. See here by del operator. See, If I try to access LST, it throws a name error. See here, we got a name error, right? Name error, name LST is not defined. So this is all about set in list. So this case 4 is completed, right? Set in list. See here, set in list, right? So this is completed. Next, we are going to see what is a set in tuple. It is possible to define one set in another tuple. So it is possible. Why in the sense, tuples are immutable and allows us to locate set objects by using their indices. So we can also locate the set objects in the sense what we can did in this set in list, we can also did in this set in tuple. But tuple is immutable. We can't update and tuple elements. Apart from that, we can do all the things. So let's see how it is going to be. So these elements are comes under tuple. These elements are comes under tuple. So these elements are comes under one inner set and these elements are comes under in another inner set. Set inside this tuple. This is set in tuple. I'm going to use small for loop like a previous. Let's see, try to use that one only. Now I'm going to declare here TPL. And same here also I'm going to declare TPLC. So this value comes under class int. This value is present in class tuple, right? So like that, these all values are comes under ints and they are present in tuple class, right? So this is an set, this is an another set, right? So this element comes under class set and this element has present in tuple, right? So same like this element comes under class set, this element has present inside the tuple, right? So this is main important. Set in tuple, right? TPL of 0 if I indicates the answer is going to be 1. See here, indexing can be done in tuple, right? So if I use TPL of 4, then inner set, the first inner set is going to be retrieved. See here, in place of 4, I'm going to use 5. Second inner set is going to be retrieved. See here, right? In the sense, we can add an element to this set. See here, add of 90 I'm going to add to this TPL of 4. In the sense, for first inner set, I'm going to add an element called 90. See here, I'm going to access a TPL. So 90 has been added to first inner set. From the second inner set, I want to remove an value called 23. So here remove of function, right? I'm trying to access my TPL. See here. Here there is no 23. Previously we have 23. That 23 element has been removed, right? So here what I did in a sense, so I have done this remove operation on TPL of 4. TPL of 4 in the sense first inner set. So for the first inner set, there is no value called 23, right? So that is the reason it throws an key error. So we can do all 17 predefined functions on these inner sets. And we can do the tuple predefined functions on this outer tuple. So the set in list and set in tuple are going to be possible. Why in the sense? So the outer tuple or outer list is going to be provide the indices in order to access the inner sets, right? So this is all about the combinations that present in set data type with list and tuple, right? In upcoming episodes, we are going to see one important problem on this set data types. That's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.